Hey guys, welcome back to BrickFlux. Got another C model for you today. This is a police motorbike made using the 42047 Police Interceptor set. This is a pretty basic C model. There's obviously no way to incorporate the pullback motor in a bike like this, because the original set doesn't come with any cogs or chain, but we've got steering, which works quite well. Foot pegs, a nice comfy seat for the police officer, and all these really nice blue and green police themed stickers that came on the original set. I've also incorporated the red and blue lights from the original set. Because the original Police Interceptor and Getaway Racer sets didn't come with a B model to build unless you had both the sets, I wanted to make a B model for both of those. And so this police motorbike goes along with this trike that I made with the Getaway Racer set, which I'll post another video about. So look for that video in the description. Well, that's about it for this model, guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, especially if you've used the instructions to build it. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to BrickFlux and give this video a like. Thanks a lot. See you next time.